Okay, well, welcome again, viewers and subscribers. Good morning to you. It is now 18 minutes past 7. Today, Friday, the 18th of July 2025. So good morning again, people. We are out and about early today, so this is my coach for today, different one again. So we are in a place, this place here that we are in is called, hi, good morning, good morning. Yeah, so we are in a place today, as you can see. We are in a coach park. This is a coach park here. It's called West Ram Coach Park out here in Heathrow. Yeah, it's basically Heathrow Airport, but this is the coach park that is in West Ram Coach Park. So been here before. So I cannot go too far, so as we can see across the street, you can see that's the airport. You see the plane going down the runway right there? See the United Airlines going down? It's either it's going to take off or it's going to leave, I don't know. So this is where we're at today. That is Heathrow Airport over there. See a British Airways coming in or it's going out. It's just coming in. So where we're at, we will be going into the airport to get our passengers today, and we will be heading off to a place called we'll be going to Southampton. Yeah. So we are in the coach park here, as you can see. I'm behind a fence. That's the road down there. And this is a place out where is this? This is a Hounslow or something like that. Yeah, so let's walk down this side here. Maybe we'll be able to see some plane taking off. You know something, I need me a new GoPro camera. Good morning, gentlemen. Morning. How you guys doing? Good? Good, man. Good. So yeah, as you can see, there's a lot of coaches. A lot of coaches are out here. So from this coach company that I am at today, which is Earns, there's like, they say it's like probably about 12 coaches are out here today. Something American Airlines just coming in. That's the American Airlines just land. You giving it a wash, huh? Ah, they got the hose pipe ban. Okay. Oh, so you're just giving it a wash yourself out here? Yeah. Okay. That's good, man. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Wow. This is a triaxle. This coach is very big. Yeah, I'm going to take a look inside. This one is a triaxle coach. This coach is nice, very big. You see, I tell you, when I tell you, you see, even though these are just buses, coaches on wheels, look at this. See this? me tell you something. Let's go inside of it. This is his coach. Let's go inside. Let me tell you. You see these? EasyJet cannot compete with these. Who's that taking off? Air India just arrived. Okay, let's go in here and take a look at his coach inside here. Look, I'm telling you, man, these are luxuries compared to EasyJet. See? This is on the. See, they even have monitors. So this is inside his coach. He keep his coach real clean too. His coach is real clean. Oh wow. This one is different. He can take passengers right behind him. That's too close for comfort for me. I don't want nobody behind me. Nope. Not behind me. Okay, but this coach is nice. Nice. It is nice. This coach is clean too. Nice and clean. Nice, man. Your coach is nice and clean, man.
How do you like it?
Nice. It's nice and clean, man. Listen, this coach is better and more luxurious than EasyJet. If you ever fly EasyJet.
I'm gonna fly EasyJet when I take wife to Egypt.
Ah, there you go. Alright. Yeah, so this is a tri-axle coach. See how huge they are compared to Red Bus. Red Bus has nothing on these. Okay. Alright, so let's take a little walk. Down here's one coming in. Here's an aircraft about to land. So you can see that plane? That plane right there tell you that we are in Heathrow Airport. Alright, so if you've been to Heathrow Airport before, oh, these are, see? We are at Heathrow Airport. And there goes the plane that just landed coming in. Saudi Arabia. The Saudis. So that's the plane outside the entrance of Heathrow Airport, and we are just right across the street here. There we go, we come a little closer, and there you have it. Heathrow Airport. Welcome to Heathrow Airport.